Welcome back, Pisces. I'm back, guys, with another video. So yes, let's hop into it. Let's get a read for the sign of Pisces, guys. If you have Pisces, sun, moon, or rising, you can definitely utilize this video. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. First of all, let's start off with these. Let's pop it off with these. We are using the Twin Flame Journey Oracle deck here. So yeah, let's get into it. Message for Pisces. Pisces, sun, moon, and rising. Pisces, you got somebody who is watching you. All right, somebody's keeping an eye on you. Okay, yeah, we got solitude. So you could be keeping to yourself. I also feel like maybe you have been to yourself lately. Someone who has been watching you may starting to learn. I'm getting like understand you a little more. Why you may be to yourself. Why you may turn your back on certain people or situations. Somebody is watching you, and I feel like they're trying to understand you more, get to know you more. Yeah, we got mute. You've been silent. You've been pretty silent. You've been pretty silent. And kind of like off to yourself a lot lately. We got separation. Yeah, you've been separating yourself. You separated yourself, honey. I feel like you separated yourself because you have other plans. You got some big dreams, some goals that you could be trying to work towards, that you're making progress towards. And there is a focus around family. So this could be a family member who is observing you, watching you, trying to get to, get a better understanding of something that you could be going through. It could have something to do with the masculine energy here. Maybe you could be in separation with the masculine. I'm picking up, it could even be like a commitment. You could have been in a commitment, a marriage with this person, male or female. But now I'm feeling like maybe you're free, okay? You're to yourself, and you've been sticking to yourself. You're focused on your money, and you get some type of fresh start. You get some type of fresh beginning, okay? So, all right, so let's dig a little bit more. Let's see. How does this person feel about Pisces who is observing Pisces? How do they feel about Pisces? They feel like they're recognizing that you're numb to something, okay? It's something to do with your past. And I feel like they recognize that you're used to it. Maybe you're used to kind of like being isolated. You're okay with, taking time to yourself. You don't have to always be around somebody. You don't always have to be in somebody's face all the time. They feel like you're numb to it, like you're used to it. That's very strong. That shows a lot of strength. And a lot of times I think people take Pisces as being vulnerable or even weak sometimes, but that's definitely not the case. Okay, that's definitely not the case. Tell me more. How do they feel about Pisces? We got shadow work and observer, yeah. See, this person is heavily watching you. Okay, heavily watching you. They're trying to pick up like your fears. There's somebody is really trying to get a better understanding of you. They're hoping that you could kind of let things go and release these fears or trauma or some type of issues from your past. Yeah, crossroads. Okay, because they don't want to, this person seems like they're a very genuine person. They don't want to end up being like a rebound or a karmic partner to you. So I see this person feeling like, I'm going to give this time. I'm going to give this time. Okay, so this is if this is a partner or someone could be interested in you, Pisces, who has, trying to get to know you better. For some, this could be a family member or someone close to you that is, just trying to get to understand you a little bit more. I feel like maybe for some Pisces, a relationship ended. It could be a marriage or a relationship. And I feel like Pisces, you're in the stage of reinventing yourself. I feel like this could be scary for you in many different ways. You could have some type of fear of starting over, fear of abandonment, fear of, just things that most people deal with. But I do see a chapter has closed. Okay, for some it looks like a marriage, but that chapter has closed. It needed to close. It needed to close. It needed to end. Yeah, Spirit is saying, look, surrender, because in divine timing, this is all gonna make sense. Okay, I do see a third party that could be involved. Okay, this person is gonna come to you wanting to compromise. Okay, but they settled for a third party. They're in a third party situation. They ended up settling for. They ended up settling for someone else. There's divine masculine, this masculine energy. It could be male or female. They could have started a family elsewhere and abandoned the connection. This person is having regrets. They are right now currently having regrets with the situation that they are currently in. I feel like this is really how they are feeling. You got destruction. But this is a cycle. This is a cycle that had to come to a close. Okay, it had to come to an end. It needed to. There's a lot of deception involved in this dealing with this person. And it was time. It was time for this connection to end. All right, so you have someone who is watching you, trying to get to know you a little more. It could be family, or it could be a new person of interest. And also, Pisces, a chapter, if it has not come to a close, it's in the process of coming to a close. But this is very much so necessary. Okay, so you can have the free will. You can free yourself up. Okay, there's a situation that you are numb to. It has been ongoing for a while, and you've became numb to it. Okay, it's time to free you from that energy. Very much so. And the person from the past who has done the dirt, they're currently receiving their karma. All right, so that's what I got, Pisces. Let me know what you think about this reading in the comment section, and I'm going to chat with y'all later.